My name is Damon and I went to Aviation Institute of Maintenance out here in Fremont, California. You know, you're pretty much worth more with the A&P than you are without it. When you have it, you can go anywhere around the world. I mean, the opportunity is endless, and it never expires, so it's not like you have to go renew it. That's the best part about it. As long as you stay in the field, it's always active. Make sure you have your A&P. Make sure it's something you love to do. You have to love it. If you don't love what you do, you're gonna be burnt out fast. Know what you're doing it for and love what you're doing before you come to the field. And make sure that you just meet people. Make sure that you have a good attitude. It's a small type of community, but you know everybody. It's an exciting field. You get to touch things that most people only get to walk inside a plane. Nobody gets to really touch the engine or a wing. If you're looking for a career, this is the career to go.